Hello everybody, my name is Timothy and I want to welcome you to Discover with Timothy. Today we are in the historic city of Georgetown, Penang to visit the King Street Tua Pek Kong Temple, also known as the Dàbógōng Jiē Fúdé Cí. This is a historic Chinese earth god shrine, commonly referred to as the Tua Pek Kong Temple of Lebuh King. It is believed to have been established in the early 19th century, possibly around 1810, although some sources suggest a slightly later date in the mid-1800s. The temple was founded by Cantonese and Hakka settlers, many of whom had earlier connections to Datuk Kong. As Georgetown developed into a thriving port town, they established this shrine to serve the spiritual needs of the local Chinese community, particularly for the worship of Tua Pek Kong, the earth deity. Over the years, the temple underwent several restorations, including major works around 1865 and more recently between 2015 and 2019. These efforts have helped preserve its unique architectural and cultural features. Architecturally, the temple reflects Southern Chinese, particularly Fujian-style influences, with decorative roof ridges adorned with porcelain mosaic sculptures and richly detailed carvings within its interior. At the heart of the temple is the main altar dedicated to Tua Pek Kong, the earth god and protector of the local community. He is widely revered for bringing prosperity, safety, and well-being. Surrounding the main altar are several secondary shrines. These include altars dedicated to Guan Gong, the god of war, as well as other deities such as the flower deity, the Tiger Deity, and local guardian spirits like the Datuk Kong. Together, they reflect the diverse and syncretic nature of Chinese folk religion in Penang. The temple continues to play an active role in the community. Devotees come here to pray for blessings, protection, and prosperity, especially during important festival days. Among the key celebrations are the birthday of Tua Pek Kong on the 16th day of the second lunar month and Guan Gong's birthday on the 24th day of the 6th lunar month. Unlike some smaller private shrines, this temple is community managed. It is jointly maintained by several Hakka clan associations in Penang, which oversee its rituals, upkeep, and conservation. Today, the temple is also recognized as part of Georgetown's UNESCO World Heritage Site. In fact, its most recent conservation project received a UNESCO Asia Pacific Merit Award in 2021, highlighting the importance of preserving its authentic architectural character. Despite its relatively smaller size, the King Street Tua Pek Kong Temple remains an important cultural and spiritual landmark, offering a glimpse into the everyday religious life of Penang's early Chinese settlers. And that brings us to the end of our visit to the King Street Tua Pek Kong Temple here in Georgetown. I hope you enjoyed this journey of discovery. If you do, don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe to Discover with Timothy for more stories from Penang and beyond. Until next time, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.
With the waves that play and the nights that sway, Penang, you take my breath away. Every smile so bright in your city light. Penang, I feel your heart. I feel you got that special part. a charm.